Hi! In front of me is ALCATEL 3T 10 and today I would like to show you how you can change the food apps on this device. First of all, go into Play Store and install your new defaults. I will go with Opera Mini. When your app is ready, you can go into Settings right away. Now scroll down and select Apps section. Then scroll down again. Over here you need to click on the food apps and tap on one of those options, in my case browser app. Then just click on the one that you wish to apply, in my case Opera Mini, and select the back button. As you can see, after that, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!